Welcome to another part of the ISM Exercise Set Microeconomics, this time with a unit on elasticities. Let's have a look at the exercise. Here we have consider the following table, which shows a company's sales figures broken down into new and existing customers, and determine the elasticity for both for price increase from 2 to 4 and for price increase from 6 to 8 euros. Okay, for this, we will first copy this table in a new slide. That's this one here. And then we start with the first price increase. That's here from 2 to 4 euros. Well, for each price change, we're going to calculate the elasticity by considering the relative change in the demand. Divide this by the relative change of the price. For this, we're going to use the average formula, meaning we always take the new value minus the old value and divide it by the average of both of these values. So with regards to the new customers, we have an old demand of 20, new demand of 15. So we go 15 minus 20 divided by the average of both of them. That's 17.5. And then we divide this by the same part done with the prices. So we go new price 4 minus old price 2 divided by 3, which is the average of 2 and 4. So then it looks as here. If you all put this into the calculator, we get as a result 0.4286. Well, important part here is, first off, we have those vertical lines. They signify taking the absolute, so we leave any negative signs. The second part, well, the result is clearly smaller than 1. So we have an inelastic reaction to this. So the new customers react under proportionally strong to price change. Then we can do the same thing for the existing customers. Here we have a change from 40 to 36. So we go 36 minus 40 divided by their average, which is 38. The price change remains the same, so the lower fraction remains the same as well. So this looks as here and results in an elasticity of 0.1579. So again, this is smaller than 1, so here as well we have an under proportionally strong reaction. It's inelastic. And we can see that the existing customers react more inelastic than the new customers, meaning they react even less strong to any price change. Okay, so much for this first part. So this was from 2 euros to 4 euros as a price increase. Now let's have a look how this works out if we take a look at the price increase from 6 to 8 euros. Again, we have the new table here with price change from 6 to 8 euros. And for this, for the new customers, we have a demand change from 12 to 6 units. So we go 6 minus 12 divided by their average, which is 9. And then divided, so big fraction line, divided by the relative price change, so 8 minus 6 divided by their average, which is 7. And that's what we did here. So putting all of this in a calculator, taking the absolute, results in an elasticity of 2.33. So in this case, we have a result larger than 1. So if the price increases from 6 to 8 euros, the new customers will react very strongly. They will react over proportionally strong, meaning for 1% price increase, demand will, in this case, decrease or change by 2.33%. Okay, this was the new customers. For the existing customers, then the values are 30 and 24. So we go 24 minus 30 divided by their average, which is here 27. And well, the price change remains the same. It's still a change from 6 to 8 euros. So the lower fraction remains the same as well. And taking all together, we get an elasticity for the existing customers of 0.777. This still is smaller than 1, so in this case the existing customers still react under proportionally strong, react inelastic, whereas the new customers are more elastic, react over proportionally strong. And well, that's all there is to this exercise. So I hope you enjoyed listening to it. And if you want to see more of these types of exercises, feel free to visit the rest of the exercise set or have a look at the corresponding playlist. I say goodbye and see you next time.